How to pay bills on Scotiabank. To pay bills through Scotiabanks, you can use their online banking services or you can use their mobile app. For the mobile app, log in to the app. Now tap on the Move Money icon at the bottom of the screen, then select Bill Payments. Make sure to select an existing payee or tap on Add Pay to set up a new one. Input the payment amount and any other required information. Before confirming your payment, make sure to review it. If you are going to be using online banking, then visit Scotiabank's online banking website and sign in. Once you are signed in, from your accounts page, select Bill Payments. Now decide between a one-time payment or recurring payment. Choose an existing payee or add a new one. Specify the payment amount and any other information. Again, review the form and confirm the payment. That's all for today. Thank you.